my gosh, it really feels like a reunion of some sort. Para bumalik yung dating ASAP na ang daming tao dito sa ABS-CBN, narag yung mga tao in a good way, stress sila na live tayo. Parang nakakamiss yung ganong feeling. Ay, sorry. Kasi nung nag-start kami, wala ko nung 2016 nilang sa ASAP. Ganun yung naaalala ko eh. And it's those moments that really mean a lot because you see how much ASAP has grown throughout all the years and all the artists that they were able to, to make known worldwide. And I'm just so proud to be a part of such a great family. And congratulations, happy anniversary to the whole team.
Yes, oh my gosh. Super nakakatuwa kasi I'm able to be a part of this. I started ASAP. My first ever ASAP actually, naiya ako sabihin, 2012. That was my first ever appearance on ASAP. And it's so nice na up to now, we're able to make Kapamilya smile and there are Kapamilyas from all over the world to smile. So nakakatuwa na I'm part of that and I'm part of this team and I'm so happy talagang naging pamilya kami. So yun, happy anniversary to ASAP.
Match 2016 match.
2016. Pero 2012 yung unang salang nito. Going Bulilit.